Decorating for my oldest son's 50th birthday party. Oh, look at the hat he gets to wear. Is that not colorful? Very nice. And as you can see, the babies are having so much fun with all these wonderful balloons. These are my great-grandchildren you're seeing here, having fun. I think all they need is a bunch of balloons to pull on and they'll be happy. I don't care about it. Nope.
Like me,
Uh-oh, how's the other one doing? Oh, he's found the big bunch of balloons over there.
Let's go play with these balloons over here.
Looks like they're all having fun decorating for the 50th birthday of my oldest son.
It's like a big, like gives me it vibes. Red balloon. Georgie!
Are you having fun?
Is it funny now, Georgie? We're a yellow one too. Daniel.
It's a yellow one too.
Oh no, I think it's a red one.
I think it's red.
Give you red balloon.
He's bringing it down. There he is. He's got it. Whoa! There's Mia. You gonna grab one, Mia?
This is Movie's Minions.
Looks like Mia's having fun with her balloon.
He stopped right away.
Oh my gosh, is she having fun? Mom's gonna have fun taking that balloon away from her daughter.
I'm not gonna take it away.
Oh, here she's bringing it back down again. She's already learned. Oh yes, she has learned so fast.
Next said they were.
So we're gonna Can you make sure our video Mia?
Are we
This
doing
surprise?
surprise?
Whoa, he got a little scared over that. If you're wondering what he's doing, he's watching TV that's on the wall. And he is really engrossed in watching this program. I would show it, but we have copyright that might get in the way. Giving up on a picture. Let's try a video. Now that I got the video going, you're not going to even do anything funny and cute now, are you? Let's see you go. Let's see you go. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? What are you doing? She's engrossed in something over there. What are they doing, she says? Careful, don't let her put it in her mouth. She's having fun.
Oh, wait a minute. I thought it was tomorrow night. No, it's tonight. Whoa. Get all the way back. Hurry up.
Here's Mia. A balloon for each hand now. A red one and a yellow one. Whoa, look at these balloons. One for each hand. She's happy now. Just give me a balloon and I'm a happy girl. What are you doing, Mia? What are you doing? Are you playing with your balloons? You are? Okay. Are they fun? You are having so much fun. Well, now you know what Mia wants for her next birthday. Balloons. Lots of balloons. Get me 100 balloons, Mommy, and I'll be happy. Are you happy?